Hello everyone, I'm Emily. Happy to see you here. Today we are going to talk about sneezing in China. If someone has a cold or weather changes, people tend to sneeze. Well, here's something you would probably like to know. Let's say you're in the middle of the conversation. You have to sneeze. What you do is turn away, use your hand to cover your face. After that, you say 对不起,对不起. That means, excuse me, I'm sorry. When you hear somebody sneeze, you say 百岁,百岁. Literary translation would be 100 years old. But actually that means, I wish you live a long and happy life. Right? So when you have to sneeze, you say 对不起. When you hear somebody sneeze, you say 百岁. Good. So if you have something interesting about China, why don't you tell me on Facebook? We will get to know about China as soon as possible. We hope see you soon. 再见。